Time in English. Asking for the time. The basic question is, what time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Hours. 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 12 o'clock. In English, we use a 12-hour clock with AM and PM. AM. From midnight to noon. PM. From noon to midnight. Example. 7 o'clock in the morning. 7 o'clock in the evening. Minutes. It's 3:05. It's 4:10. It's 5:15. It's 6:30. For 15 and 30 we can use special words. 15 equals quarter past. 30 equals half past. 45 equals quarter to. Examples. It's 2:15. It's 2:30. It's 2:45. Special times. 12 a.m. equals midnight. 12 p.m. equals noon. Daily expressions with time. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. What time is lunch? Lunch is at 12:30 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m.